The high-end A-Class market is specific. You have to have a particular level of service to participate with that client. Bucars have over 20,000 square feet of service to accommodate even the largest of motorhomes. A big part of the growth in our market is people that don't want to commit to a second property. There's advantages to the RV lifestyle, particularly in this classification. You function independently, there's no condo fees. There's a lot of parks that can handle this, including luxury parks. If you don't like your neighbor, you can just turn a key and move on. You have the ability to enjoy, in this particular class, a residential build with residential features, but you've got the benefit of being nomadic. When you talk about Newmar, their slogan is "When you know the difference." This model is a Dutch Star 4018, and it's the only 40-foot in the market with a tag axle. So it's a passive steer tag, which sharpens your turning radius by up to 17%. The beauty of this unit is fully self-sufficient. So this would be an all-electric motorhome. We have an 8 kilowatt Onan diesel generator that will supply enough power for weeks at a time. 8 AGM batteries. We could power up for 10 days off of that battery power. We're gonna have in excess of 100 gallons of water on board to accommodate both the dishwater, shower water, and the toilet. It is absolutely a house. Things like in-floor hydronic heating. We can drive this down the road, set it like a living room, and we don't have to worry about propane systems. Driving this, it's a full luxury drive. It feels like a luxury car. So we have a system called Comfort Drive, and it's a computer assist that adjusts the steering so that you don't get stiff shoulders and stiff arms from driving. A computer assist senses the wind and compensates for that. The amazing thing about Bucars is they're committed to serving their clients out of one location. We have a dedicated team that looks after you after the purchase. Our intent is to do our best to serve you after you make an investment in one of these beautiful machines.